How to create an Outlook email account on your mobile. So let's begin the tutorial. So to sign up and set up an Outlook email account on your phone, first and foremost you need to download Microsoft Outlook on your mobile device. So whether you are using an Android or iPhone device, open up Play Store or App Store and download and install Microsoft Outlook. Once you installed Outlook, open it. Now one of the best things you can do with the help of Microsoft Outlook, you can actually link your Gmail, Yahoo or any other personal email address to your Outlook account, and you can manage all those email from your Outlook account. So that is one of the things that I absolutely love about Outlook. Now once you open the Outlook, you will be in this page. Now in order to create an Outlook account, here you will have create new account option. So tap on create new account. Now in this step you need to enter your preferred email, and just right to it you have the option to select your email address. Now here I have three options: outlook.com, outlook.in as I am from India, and then hotmail.com. So here as you are going to be creating an Outlook email address, here you're gonna be selecting outlook.com. So I'm gonna keep it selected as outlook.com. Now let me enter my preferred email. So here I'm gonna name it how-to-internet_tutorials@outlook.com. And to check your availability, here click on next. And here it is, the above email address is available. And if it was not available, then I would have got an error message and I would have to change the email address. So as it is available, now I am in this page. And here in this step you have to enter your password. So create a strong password for your Outlook account. Once you created a strong password, now under here if you would like to get information, tips and offers about Microsoft products and services, then you can keep it selected checked. And if you don't want that, then you can uncheck this box. For now I'm gonna uncheck it, and then let's click on next. And now from here you need to set up your profile for your Outlook account. So first here enter your first name and then enter your last name. And then click on next. And in this step you will be asked to select your country/region, and it will be automatically selected, and if it was incorrect for you, then you can change it here. I'm gonna keep it selected as India. Now next, most importantly, enter your birth date. So first enter your day of birth, and then your month of birth, and then type your year of birth. After that, here again tap on next. Now we need to solve the puzzle for robot verification. So here click on next. And for this puzzle, I have to use these arrows to rotate this house image to face in the direction of the left hand. So let me do this real quick. Once it's correct, tap on submit. And the verification will be completed, and you will be automatically landed in this page. Now here tap on OK. And once the authentication is completed, you will be in this step. Now as I earlier mentioned that you can manage multiple email accounts just using your Outlook account. So here Edu asks, would you like to add another account? But right now we are not going to do that. So here on the left, let's click on maybe later. And then here tap on next and click on accept. Now at the bottom, tap on continue to Outlook. And here you have to enable notification so that once you receive any emails, you will be notified. So here select on turn on and then select on allow. And there it is, you have successfully created and set up your Outlook email account. And now you can start using your Outlook email address. Now here I'm gonna give you a brief overview of Outlook account. So at the bottom right, you can see new email option. If you click on it, and then if you click on got it, you will be in this page, and here you can send email to any email address from your Outlook email address. And now let's go back and let me show you where you can receive email on your Outlook email account. So on the dashboard here at the top left, you can see this Outlook icon. Click on it, and here you will see all those options that you see on your Gmail account as well. So once you receive any email on your Outlook email address, you can find it here on inbox as well as junk folder. And if you want to manage your Outlook account, you want to do some changes in your account, then here at the bottom left, you can tap on this settings icon, and that will bring you to this page, and here you can manage, change or edit anything on your Outlook email account. And that's pretty much it is. That's how you can sign up and sign into your Outlook email account. And if you found this video helpful, then make sure you leave a like and comment in this video. And if you want to add your Gmail account to your Outlook account and you want to manage your Gmail account from Outlook, then watch this video and I will see you in the next one.